Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at this BiONiK Hyper Kit for the Xbox One. This company is kind of hard to track down to get really any information on their website. Their website, not the best, so I probably would not put a link to their website in the description this time. Because, like I said, their website, not that great of a website. I mean, you go look for this part and be like, oh, we sell shirts and cups, and you're like, no, this is an electronic product. Why am I seeing cups and shirts and shoes and boots? Well, it should be, hey, charging cables, battery pads, carrying cases, and all that good stuff. But yeah. So it says 2 rechargeable battery pads you get in here. This is supposed to be the Hyper Kit made by BiONiK. So it has a magnetic connection for Xbox One. 1200 milliamp hertz rechargeable batteries you get in there. Here's what they look like. More about it. So it says a unique battery design to fit standard Xbox One controllers and Elite controllers. So whether Xbox One controllers and the Elite Xbox One controller, yep, you're covered on the battery pack. Still on 10-foot or 3M. I guess that's meters, I'm guessing. I don't know, not Canadian, so I don't use the measure system. So American, so 10-foot long, cable with magnetic connection. LED charge indicator light, so that's pretty cool. And then, kind of the same things there, how it goes in. Magnetic connection with breakaway safety feature. So, instead of pulling your controller from the cord, it's going to disconnect the magnet. Instead of, actually pulling something out of the actual controller, which is pretty great. I mean, there is websites down here, as you can see, like BiONiKgaming.com and then BiONiK at, those. But if you want to go check them out yourself, go ahead. I'm not going to put these down in the description because, like I said, the website shows two different things. So even if you go to BiONiKgaming.com, the one up here in the orange, it's going to show you like hats and cup holders and stuff. And it's like, what? No. So yeah, if you're like, dude, you didn't put a link down below. Well, dude, the link is not that great of a link. I had some of their other products, and the products are great. Don't get me wrong, great products, but the website's just, yeah. Now I picked this up over at Menards, and this was about, I can't exactly remember how much it was. I want to say something like 25 to 30 bucks, which you might be like, whoa, 30 bucks for this kit. Well, yeah, when you think about it, 30 bucks, whoa, that's a little pricey. But then, go ahead and think about this. Xbox is still using AA batteries. You go through about 2 batteries a day because, on the Xbox, the battery lasts you about maybe 4 hours, so 8 hours or so. So, yeah. You go through, let's just say, 2 batteries a day. Well, I mean 2 batteries a day, I mean, count, 2 of these. So, let's say 4 batteries because, the control takes 2. So, 4 batteries a day. Or if you're lucky, maybe like 4 batteries a week. But that's, 4 batteries a day to 4 batteries a week. Not only that, but hey, you see the price of batteries nowadays? They're freaking high. You're going to be saving more money just coming out right and saying, you know what? I'm spending 30 bucks one time, one charge, getting these, and I could recharge them and essentially turn this old school Nintendo Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, which why are we still using AA batteries in this day and age, into a PlayStation 4 that has, internal batteries, or Nintendo Switch, which has an internal battery. Because, I mean, why? Just why? No. Every single other gaming company decided, hey, let's put our things with an internal rechargeable battery. I mean, look. The 3DS, you don't put double A's in it. You don't be putting triple A's in there. You just put the power cord in there, charge it up, you're good to go. What's this? Nope. You gotta be putting in your batteries. So yeah. So with these, you take them out, and then you drop them all about, and just kind of make sure that little tab goes into that middle one. And then push it back in until you hear that little click, and then it's done. There's your new battery pack. Now, of course, with these, if you got color controls like this, it's going a little bit wonky, and you won't be able to use the original backplate cover for your batteries. But then again, I would sacrifice not having something that looks completely like this to something that looks like this, versus every 4 hours, gotta pop this cover off and swap out batteries for new batteries because the batteries in there are dead. So, yeah. And then this just goes like this. And if you want, there is a certain way that this goes in. As you can see, the cutout goes a certain way, and this has a certain way. So, yeah, and then the little light would be on top there. So, let me grab a little charger here. If I can find my charger blade. So we're just going to use one of these. And as you can see, the light goes on. So it is charging. So, yeah. Then we do get little instructions in here, but I mean, come on, we really don't need instructions. We just see how it was. Take old cover off. Take out those useless double-A batteries. Swap in a new one. Push it down. Put it in. Connect it to your Xbox console. Put the cord in to actually get it to start charging. And yeah. So good news, you do get 2 of them, so you can charge up 2 controllers, although the charging cable will only charge up 1 controller at a time, obviously. Good or bad, definitely good. It is a blessing if you're an Xbox user. If you're a PlayStation user, you probably wouldn't care about this too much, because, it's not for PlayStation, but you know what I mean. They made other things too. But I mean, Xbox, Microsoft, dudes. You have great customer service, which is one of the things I love compared to PlayStation. But I mean, we're still using double A's in this day and age for controllers? Come on. That was great. Years ago, I said it was like the Game Boys and stuff. And maybe it was the Nintendo GameCube and stuff like that with the wireless controller. But come on. I mean, every other console got you beat, man. Sony was their PS4 controllers. Nintendo, no, was the Nintendo Switch. Nintendo was, the 3DS, which they learned from the mistakes. Because, with this 3DS, they're not using double A's or triple A's anymore. They move away from the external, hey, it costs, about $5 or $6 a day for batteries, to, hey, let's just put a battery in there. All you gotta do is put a corner, charge it up. So Microsoft, why are you still being stupid? Come on, give us Microsoft Xbox users a brain. Just have built-in internal batteries. Hopefully, the Xbox Scorpio will have an internal battery like any other game console controllers out there. But I mean, this is ridiculous. Right here, batteries. And then they just go out and buy like third-party things just to have our controller charged, so we don't have to spend money on batteries every single day to every single week. Yeah. So, yeah, that's been the unboxing of the BiONiK Xbox One Hyper Kit. Remember to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, hit that sub button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks.